Thank you for coming by. I'd like to hear from you, so please leave a message. Hit like and share, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you. Find Your Bliss is my title. As my journey to simple living in my retirement continues, I want to share with you my thoughts for the moment. You know, my garden provides me with so many positive emotions, and I take pride in showing it here for the world to see, feel, and enjoy. This is just one part of my garden of which have really grown the plants have really grown widely and have provided me so much joy and confidence that I can make plants happy. So with this in mind, I want to share with you my thoughts about friendship and indifference. Just two, friendship and indifference. It's because this topic never skips from my observations and feelings, and I know that it does affect in many ways with many of you too. You know, I'm supposed to do some important online work today, but for some reason I'm drawn to creating a video, and I didn't even know about what until I went back inside myself and really felt the emotions that is running high within me at this very moment. Then I know that this is what is stuck in me. This topic, friendship and indifference. It's because I began to question what is this real friendship all about, and what lead you to create boundaries on superficial and disturbing kind of friendship. Have you ever been in this kind of friendship where you feel icky or confused because you catch the vibrating emotions of indifference in the air? That kind of indifference where you want to just drop it and wouldn't want to be near with it again. Have you? Well, friendship. What is friendship? Well, friendship is a relationship of mutual affection between people. It is a stronger form of interpersonal bond than an acquaintance or an association. It's a state of enduring affection, esteem, intimacy, and trust between two people. In all cultures, friendships are important relationships throughout a person's lifespan. If you and your friend have trust, equality, compassion, honesty, and independence, you already have the foundation of a strong and healthy friendship. But oftentimes, we recognize a weak friendship in many aspects. It is when there is no honest communication, nor there is no mutual trust. When empathy and compassion is absent and fake, these things cannot be quoted or hidden. It speaks loudly, screaming between the gaps and the silences. It's because a true friend is someone that you can rely on. You know that they will keep their plans with you. You know that you can rely on them to show up for you when you need it. These real friends are people that have proven they will show up for you in the past and will continue to do so because you are a priority to them. So if someone shows you distance, gap, and indifference, you gotta be careful because they are never truly a friend. You cannot rely on them for emotional support through friendships. If the kind of friendship is you seem to be walking on eggshells, then cut it clean fast, because instead of boosting your happiness and reduce your stress, it becomes a source of stress and disappointments, and then you will be feeling a low self-esteem due to the gossiping or the jealousy. So real friends give us their attention and are present and supportive, especially when we are feeling down and alone. Friends will always improve confidence and self-worth. They help us cope with traumas such as choose your people well, for they are the ones who will help you to your happiness and peace of mind. Losing a fake friend is a win-win, because it's the end of pretending. So disengage and stop reaching out. Never engage in drama. Cut them cut loose those fake friends before they put a strain in our life. So that is all for now. Make life light, easy, and fun. Be an inspiration to others. Be a sunshine. Lift others up. Inspire others, that you may have leave a legacy behind that no one can forget. So that's all for now. Love you guys. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.